Hey everyone, this is Peter. I'm here in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin at Kriete Truck Center, Volvo MACK. We're looking at a 2021 MACK Pinnacle. It has full locking differentials, 354,000 miles, 445 horsepower, with an M-Drive 12-speed automatic transmission. This day cab is in great shape. It's gone through our service department. It's been detailed, DOT'd, ready to hit the road. Call or text me. You can come look at this truck and other day cabs we have just like it. 920-934-0867. We do have financing available. You can reach me 920-934-0867. Have a great day.